What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Inkjecta. My name is RJ, and today we're looking at the Inkjecta Flite Nano range of tattoo machines. The Nano range has been around for a while now, but is still an absolute powerhouse in a super compact package and great value. Weighing in at between 45 and 65 grams, or just 1.6 to 2.3 ounces, the Nano range is still one of, if not the lightest machines available today, while still delivering class-leading performance. This range is the genesis of our custom nano motor, as well as our interchangeable give system as it exists today. Paired with our interchangeable stroke system, the Nano provides the flexibility to perform any task you throw at it. Let's dive in and check out the range. The Nano range has three core features. The custom nanotechnology motor featured throughout the range provides industry-leading power, consistency, and voltage range, clocking in between 4.5 and 18 volts. The interchangeable cam system allows for any nano machine to easily have its stroke switched out in less than a minute, while the interchangeable give system allows for the perfect give setup for every technique and style and can also be switched or modified in seconds. The Nano comes in three different versions: the Elite, the Light, and the Ultralight, which is still one of the lightest machines on the market at just 45 grams without giving up any of its power or adjustability. The difference in models comes down to both their materials and their included accessories. The Elite and Light are both made of anodized aluminium, while the Ultralight is made of woven carbon. Let's go over exactly what each model includes. The Elite comes with the Elite machine, interchangeable bumpers and cap, 3.25mm cam, and semi-rigid, soft, medium, and hard torsion bars. The Light comes with the Light machine, a 3.25mm cam, and a semi-rigid bar for a simpler starting base that you can build on with our available give and stroke accessories. The Ultralight comes with the Ultralight machine, interchangeable bumpers and cap, 3.25mm cam, and rigid carbon, semi-rigid, soft, medium, and hard torsion bars. All Nano machines include an Allen key, spare cam grub screw, manual, and an MX6 lubricant for use in your grit tubes. The Light machine comes standard in Stealth, and the Ultralight comes in olive green and clear-coated carbon finishes. The Elite machines come in standard Stealth and Trooper colors, as well as a hand-polished brass model for those who like a little bling in their arsenal. They're a little bit heftier, coming in at 98 grams or 3.5 ounces, but that's just another option that we've found some people really like. And that's an overview of the Inkjecta Nano range. Power, consistency, and flexibility all bundled into a tiny package without sacrificing any of the performance. The Nano continues to be used by some of the world's leading artists, but is still accessible enough for even a beginner. For more details on the Nano range, visit inkjecta.com, which we'll link below. For more information on our other products and detailed guides on our interchangeable stroke and give systems, check out our other videos. Until next time, have a good one.